What is up? Hey, so check it out. We are hanging out in our toy hauler. Yeah, that's right. We've got a toy hauler. You've seen it in some of my other videos, but I don't get it out a whole lot. So it's yeah. Anyways, we're going to try and winterizing it. Well, let's say that. We are going to try to winterize it. Now, I've winterized trailers before, and all the other ones, they were a little older, so they didn't have this fancy, switch that you switch and put some antifreeze in, RV antifreeze. So that's what we're gonna do today. Learn how to do that, because I've never done it. Usually is what I do is I just open up all the valves, and drain the tank, and then is what I do is I take air and I blow it out with air. So I'll hook up the air hose, and then I'll have my wife open up each one, hot, cold, and all that stuff. And then we basically just blow it out with air, and we're done. We're winterized. However, I've never done this new stuff before, so I've already went through and I found kind of where the stuff is. So if you check this out, I bought some RV waterline antifreeze, and here is the stuff. And so from my understanding is it's pretty simple. You just have this extra hose here, you open up the antifreeze, I think you stick it in, and obviously I think you flip this valve here, so this pulls from my water tank down here. This pulls from my water tank, and then obviously if I just flip that valve, it pulls from here. So we're gonna try this, and we're gonna see if it works. I don't know if it works or not. I've never tried it, so bear with me. I have no idea what I'm doing. I have not, and this is surprising, but I have not even watched any how-to videos on YouTube. I just figured I want to try and figure it out, see if I can do it. And if something goes wrong, well, I'll watch YouTube. So stay tuned. Actually, no, don't stay tuned. Let's just do this. All right. So let's get this. We're just gonna go. We're just gonna go. I'm not even gonna care. Not even gonna care. I'm just gonna pop that in there like that. And well, come on, stay in there. All right, get in there. Okay. So whoa. It's because it's got a little air in there. It's all right. I'll come back. So, anyways, here is our pump. Oh, did you see that? Look at that. Whee! So that's pulling that through the lines. Wow. Wow. That's pretty slick, huh? Now, we'll turn on the water. Get it running through the system. See? It's draining. It's pulling it. Let's get that off. There we go. There we go. See that? We're pulling it through. Now, apparently, let's see. I don't know where the P-traps are on this sink, so we're just gonna put a little bit down that sink as well. P-traps, probably, yeah, they're all just one. I don't need to put them down both. But, so there's that. So I believe that one is ready to go. Now, we don't have that many things in here. We've got the toilet. We've got the hot water, cold water. Make sure we're, oh, hold on. It's running dry. It's pulled out. Pulled out the hose, pulled out a little bit, but we're still We're still pumping her through. All right. There's the hot water. I gotta go drain the hot water line. There's that cold. Now, yay! Yay for toilets. I'm not gonna even show you that. See if we can get some water mixed up here in the toilet. Oh, yeah, there he goes. All right, filled the line. We're gonna come back here into the toilet. We're going to turn on the bathtub water. There we go. All right, come on. There we go. Okay. Oh yeah. So there we go. There we go. There we go, folks. Get a little more pink stuff coming out of there. Good job. Both hot and cold. Now, I was told to obviously drain the, I was obviously told we need to drain the hot water heater. So, we're gonna open up the hot water valve and let that drain. But I think that's it. It's pretty simple. This new stuff. Comment down below what I should do different. By the time this is posted, it's probably gonna freeze. And honestly, I don't know, man. It's probably gonna freeze. But when we bought this trailer, they had it winterized, but they didn't even dump. They didn't even have it dumped. Like, that's gross. I'm sorry, but that kind of bothered me. But the way that the water tanks are as well is I'm glad some of that's gonna drain. Not much. Not gonna be much in the water tanks, but I'm hoping the water tanks don't freeze too much, because there's really, my other one had a drain kind of at the bottom of the tank, but these tanks kind of dip a little bit, and where the drain sits, it's kind of up a little bit. So here, in fact, let's go. I'll take you outside right now and we'll show you. Don't mind my dogs. They're probably gonna start freaking out. I got this really anxious dog. Thinks he needs to bark and holler and hoot every time. Every time. All the time. Every time. However, one thing I have not gotten yet. Where's my keys at? Anyways, I gotta get the shower real quick. But you can see my water tank shut off is right there. There's the drain. And those pipes sit a little underneath it. So I'm hoping those two pipes that are connecting that are gonna be okay. And if not, those look easy enough to replace. And if they break, we'll be fine. So we're gonna drain the hot water heater. And then, yeah, somebody was saying something about pulling something. Oh, look at that. There's like some little plug right there. What the heck is that for? I don't even know what the heck that's for. Anyways, somebody said something about taking some little diode heater thing out. Did I take this out? What do I do? Comment down below, folks. So let me know if there's anything else I need to do to winterize this here trailer. And tell me, what's this plug here for? This thing's not even in there. Do I need that? What is up with that? I don't know much about trailers. It's been a little while since I had a fifth wheel, but What do you do? Anyways, comment down below. Let me know what you do differently. I gotta grab my keys. I think I might have a set in here. Oh yeah, I do. All right, so stay with me, folks. And we're just gonna run over and do the shower right now. Like right now. Like, I'll stay on the line right here with you. And we'll get this shower drained. Drain. All right. Oh wow. Oh wow. That shower's burst. That don't work. Lovely. Looks like that don't work. Okay, so looks like that fitting is broke. Yay! Oh well, we don't use the outdoor shower anyways. Still, that kind of sucks. Oh well. Alright, that's it. Got a little close up on my face when I was like checking things out. I thought the camera was turned the other way, but it wasn't. Look, there's a CTSV. That's for sale. If someone wants to buy it, they can buy it for 10K. I ain't selling it for any less than 10K. So stop offering me 8. I'm not gonna sell for 8. I'll keep it. I don't care. So anyways, that's that. I'm done. I'm out of here. I'm gonna go film another video on how to change. I gotta go change a bulb in my F-150. So if you want to know how to change a bulb in the F-150, stick around. Check out the next video. Smile every morning. And go check out some Amazon links. Get you some bucked up. I just got an order today from my bucked up that I ordered the other day because I was out. So I got some now. I got some. We're good. Things are good.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays,